bersyukur nak keslem jong nongsan Hima.
MLA ka Raja Bala Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi jong All India Trinamool Congress lingba kerwa ba ula penpa baka jela kadan kam amtang banyak keren halor ke Bhah thungkam Henry ban penti kena baka ne ke jing Bhah kam kan long kat kum ke hukum bala penmi de ke ying bishar Bhah kli du jong keri ha ka baya dei bat ke jing dawa bala pensngo de kat to kat ne hikin hon seng halor ke reservation policy kwa ban kerpat yu menteri rang ba ke sarkar jela ban kami banyak ya ke reservation policy meminta jong ke Meghalaya ha ke bala Bhah prapusan na kisispa na kabenta ki SC bat ki ST kad bagi weipat ki yo tangkat 100%. Kani kalong persya ya ke reservation policy balabu de ke ying bishar Bhah kledo jong keri India la ong Dr. Kazi hau kerwa. Uniu MLA ke AITC ulah kedau ya ke rajong ke ying bishar Bhah kledo keri ha ke mukot duma Jai Shri Lakshman Rao Patil persya ya ke sarkar Maharashtra bat Indra Swane versus Union of India haus nem hak handai spa handai puar ha kabalabu yu uput nega bentak jimha kam ha ki kam sarkar ke Supreme Court kalabu yu uput bat kam sha ya kanu ke jimha ni bentak kanu ke tribe ni ke kas palat ya ke 100% kumta kalong persya ya ke rajong ke Supreme Court kumta ngadawa jur nega bentak ke jingkmi banyak ke jimha ke 100% nega bentak ki unreserved category kat kum gi kendon balabu de ke yeng bishar la benrap Dr. Kazi.
In view of the demands made by several organizations on the reservation policy, I as the MLA of Rajabala constituency would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Government of Meghalaya to review the prevailing reservation policy of Meghalaya, wherein 85% is being reserved for SC, ST and others, which is against the reservation policy set up by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. As per the Honorable Court verdict on 8/3/2021 in the case of Jai Shri Lakshman Rao Patil versus Court of Maharashtra and Indra Sahni versus Union of India in 1992, Honorable Supreme Court has set the limit and does not allow for any reservation for any tribe or caste more than the 50% limit. Hence, it is totally against the SC verdict. Therefore, I strongly demand for the review and allocation of 50% for the unreserved category as per the guidelines laid down by the Honorable Court.